Hey everyone, today I just replaced the Mini 4 Pro's camera, and if you're someone who replaced the entire gimbal and the camera, you've probably run into this issue, camera lens error and error 421. But don't worry, now we can remotely fix from anywhere you are. Let's power on the drone and check out the error after the camera module swap. After replacing the camera, you'll typically see three common errors. 1. Error 421, often caused after hardware swaps. 2. Camera not calibrated error. 3. Camera lens error. Now here's something very important I want you to understand. There are two types of camera lens error codes. Error code 1C000317, this one can be fixed, but if camera lens error code 1C000317, unfortunately, this is a hardware-related issue, meaning it could be a damaged camera cable or a faulty camera module. This error cannot be fixed. Alright, let's get back to our Mini 4 Pro. I'm now going to connect the drone to the computer and begin the repair process. If you also have this error or other error for other drone, you can contact me. Check in the description for more information. We offer professional remote repair services, backed by years of experience in DJI software and diagnostics. Okay, the repair is done. Let's restart the drone and make sure everything's working. All the errors are gone. Everything's fixed and running smoothly. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment or reach out using the info in the description below.